Today I'm going to be talking about how to use Canva. This is a website that is especially useful for my marketing classes, group projects, and organizations I'm involved in. Canva is a graphic design tool website. It provides templates and layouts for business cards, logos, presentations, resumes, and much, much more. Its drag and drop feature makes it easy to use. You have access to over 1 million photographs, graphics, and fonts, which allow you to create beautiful, seamless designs. One of the best things about Canva is how simple it is to use. It's used by non-designers as well as professionals. First, I'm going to show you guys how to log into Canva. If you are a new user, you're going to need to make an account. Once you've logged in, you'll be able to see all that Canva has to offer. The first screen that pops up is the Create a Design. In the top bar, Canva suggests different templates that you may want to use, like presentation or photo collage. Once you decide what you would like to make, you can click on that corresponding template. For example, I'm going to show you guys how simple it is to make a business card. So on the left-hand side, you'll see all the different layouts that there are to choose from. So you can go through and select which one that you want. I think I'm going to go with this one. And so you simply just drag and drop the layout onto the blank space to the right of the screen. And from there, you can click on the text to change the information that's inside of it. So I'm going to go in here and change this to my name. And I'm also going to shrink this font down just so it's not overpowering the card. And one of the great things about Canva is you can actually center the text. So if you grab a hold of your text and drag it down, and once you see those lines, the guidelines that pop up, you know that it's centered. And I'm also going to go in here and change the name of my position. So just so it's more relevant to who I am. So now I'm going to change the colors of the text just because it might not necessarily what I want to have on my business card. So I'm just going to make it a little more professional with some black, and I'm actually going to bold that so it stands out. And then go back in here and change this color too. So now you probably can see that the background doesn't really match the colors I've been going with, so you can from here select your background. And so you see I clicked on the background, and up here these two color swatches pop up. So I can click on here and I can change this color to match the color font that I used to keep it cohesive, and then I can also change this color to again keep it cohesive with the other color that I was using. And so now I realize that I probably want to add some contact information to my business card. So you can go over here to the left-hand side and click on text. And basically you pick what font that you want and whether you want it to be a heading, a subheading, or a little body of text. I'm just going to go with this. Add some body text down here. And I'm going to shrink this down right away. So you can just go in here and add whatever information that you want. If it's on a business card, it's important to have your phone number and your email so they can contact you. So got all of that in there. And look at that. I've got a great looking business card after just a few minutes, not even. So once you're done with your design, you can share it with your friends. So up here on the top right hand corner of the screen, you can see the word share. So you can share it with your friends through different social networks or just email. You can download your design, which is what I tend to do a lot. You can download it as a PDF form or another format, and you can print it from there or share it in that form. Or you can actually also order prints. So I could order copies of my business card that I just made, and they will professionally print it and send it to my house in a matter of days. So that was a quick introduction into all that Canva has to offer. Thank you for listening, and I encourage you all to explore Canva more and let the creativity flow because it really is a great resource as a student or as a professional in the workplace.